In the middle of this week's Parsha, we find an unusual timeout. Suddenly, in the middle of the regular story, we encounter two psukim, Vayibin Aaron, as the Aaron travels. It's so unusual in its placement that the Torah even signifies this by the two large upside down nuns, showing us that it doesn't belong there. So, why does it belong there? Chazal tell us that this is in order lahafsik, to create a break between puranus and puranus, between two bad incidents. Now, looking at the preceding and following stories, we know that the following story is a bad incident. The Jews complain, they have a lack of food, and they're punished. But beforehand, where exactly is the bad part about the story there? All we know is that they leave Har Sinai. So the Medrash tells us, you know what? They left Har Sinai, ketinok haborech mi beis hasefer. Like, imagine on Friday afternoon, the bell rings and everybody's running down the stairs. The kids are all trying to get out of school. Running. Now, is running from an important event a bad thing? Rabbi argues that it really depends where you're running to. If you're running from something important and you're leaving early in order to get to something also important, then maybe it's not as bad. But if you run from something important to something negative, then yes, we see that your original running was terrible. The Torah places Vayibin Aaron at this crucial point in order to neutralize that running. Because if the two incidents would be together, then it would be so much worse. If we were to be running from Har Sinai to the complaining, then in fact it would have been two consecutive puranus, two bad incidents. We run from many places to many places. Sometimes it's worthwhile considering from where to where we run. Good Shabbos.